California Waterfowl's Egg Salvage Program salvages eggs from nests in agricultural fields prior to harvest. The eggs are taken to a hatchery facility at Rancho Escuan, located in Durham, California. The eggs are incubated, hatched, and the ducklings are raised until 6 weeks of age. Then they're taken to managed wetlands throughout California and released into the wild. Today, we're at the Greenhead Duck Club with landowner Bill Brush and staff and volunteers from the International Bird Rescue Center. Programs like this would not be possible without landowners like Bill Brush and the Greenhead Duck Club. The time, energy, and money that they put into managing habitat and maintaining the resource is invaluable. Roughly 70% of California's wetlands are privately owned and managed as duck clubs by hunters who are caring for the resource. Not only does the Egg Salvage Program save ducks, but it also provides an opportunity to educate the general public about the importance of wildlife conservation. Our program reaches out to young and old and provides the opportunity to interact and learn about the importance of managing wetlands and the valuable role that they play in water quality, flood protection, and of course wildlife habitat. If you would like to support any of these efforts, please contact California Waterfowl at www.calwaterfowl.org or call at 916-648-1406. We really appreciate your support. Thank you.